RAIDER Professional presents Cordless Brushless Angle Grinder RDP-SBAG20. The brushless motor of the cordless angle grinder RDP-SBAG20 provides an efficiency that is over 80% higher. This ratio is extremely important for cordless tools because it allows an up to 30% longer operation on a single battery charge. RDP-SBAG20 is a machine from the RAIDER Pro R20 system series. One battery fits all. The machine has an electronic control system for the electric motor, which provides a soft start and prevents unintentional startup after an emergency shutdown. The speed of rotation of the disc is 11,500 RPM. The gearbox is made of a special aluminium alloy. The handles are covered with a rubber, elastic, easy to hold anti-slip coating. The start button is located on the body of the machine so that it falls under the thumb.